Come here, Kablooey. You want one of these? Yeah, you're in your bed. That's where you get your treats. Here you go. Oh, look. Look at it. Barrett, get back. Barrett, you can't steal. Good boy. Here, Barrett. Look, Bear. You have to go to your bed. Lay down on your bed. Here. Is that for you? Ooh, so good. Is that good? Mm-hmm. They're covered in drool. Kablooey likes it. His bed is in his crate, so he can come and go as he wants. Bear, you like that? Is it good? My cat is wanting to investigate the wrapper sound. You got some crumbs, buddy. All right, let's check on Kablooey one more time. He's holding it like he does his other bone. Pretty smart guy. I know, no bones for the cat. Sorry. Sorry. Bears, is that good? You like that bone? It's almost gone, huh? Getting some tail taps. You like that bone? Hmm? Is it good? Allie, you can't have any. Here. She's investigating the... You can't have it. I know it's making your favorite noises, though.